hate school so much. Wait, is that a fire alarm? I am going to pull the fire alarm because I hate school. Here goes nothing. Time to go home.
Who the heck pulled the fire alarm? It was Little Bill. I'm going to call his dad.
I just got a call from the school. Want to admit what you did?
I had a poop swirler with some people after social studies.
What the heck is a poop swirler?
It's where you poop in a balloon and dip it in pee and throw it at somebody while yelling whiner, and when I did it hit the teacher.
What the heck are you talking about? You pulled the fire alarm. Oh, Little Bill, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for 10 weeks. Go to sleep right now.